My beautiful friends, how are you all doing? There is an update about X Empire. This is a recent update, okay? I want you to pay close attention. The X Empire team has now introduced a new phase, and this phase, they call it the chill phase, okay? If you're wondering what this means, well, let me break it down, okay? The X Empire team in this write-up have just said that the TGE is coming up in the second half of this month, okay, which is October. So that means we should be expecting the listing from the 16th, 17th upwards, okay, maybe 22nd or 29th, we don't know yet, but it is going to be in the second half of this month, okay. And because of this, while we are waiting, they want to kind of engage us, so they have allocated an extra 5% of the X token supply, which is worth about 34.5 billion tokens for all of us to grab, okay. So if you participate in this chill phase, you can earn more extra X tokens for yourself. And this chill phase is going to last for just a few weeks from now before it gets concluded. So this is another opportunity for you to earn more tokens. Can you imagine the quantity involved? 34.5 billion more X tokens, ladies and gentlemen. And I want you to know that whether you participate in this or not, it does not affect what is supposed to be your allocation from the first phase, okay, the just concluded phase. Don't forget that 70% of the X token supply is going to be allocated to all participants, okay. And remember, there is an update regarding what criteria will be considered in allocating tokens, okay, this 70%, okay. I'm going to talk about it towards the end of this video. So this is the latest update. So guys, what do you think about this update? We are awaiting this new chill phase, okay. I guess they're going to kind of reset the app. Now here are the criteria for the first phase. If you participated in the first phase, okay, here are the criteria. The first is what they call the primary criteria, which include number and quality of invited friends, profit per hour, and number of completed quests, okay. So that's the primary criteria for receiving the airdrop. And they've got an additional criteria, which is this one right here: wallet connection. Did you connect your wallet? And turn transaction. Did you make the turn transaction? And this one right here, Telegram Premium. So according to them, these things here are going to be the criteria for the airdrop for the phase one, okay. So if you didn't do really well, okay, here is another opportunity for you to kind of participate in the chill phase. As I said earlier, it is going to last for a couple of weeks according to them, okay, so that you can add more X tokens, okay. At the end of the day, the most important thing in all of this is going to be the listing price of the X tokens. The listing price is gonna determine how much we are probably gonna make from this airdrop, okay. But don't forget, no matter what happens, we are gonna keep moving till we hit that airdrop, just like dogs and Notecoin. If you've got any questions, let's share them in the comment section. This is it for this video. This is Big LBs and it's got Ken signing off for now. Let's go.